Hello everyone, I am Shadashirao and welcome to Sada Learning Hub. Today's session we are going to learn method local inner classes. This is the this class one type of inner classes in Java programming language. The method local inner classes, sometimes we can declare a class inside a method. Such type of inner classes are called method local inner classes. The main objective of method local inner classes is to define method specific repeatedly required functionality. We can access the method local inner classes only within a method where we declare it. That is, from outside of the method we can't access, as the scope of method local inner classes is very less. This type of inner classes are most rarely used type of inner classes. We can declare a class inside the method. This type of inner classes are called method local inner classes. I can show one example on method local inner class as see this one. I'm creating a one class that is called test. In this test, I'm creating a one method. This is called method one. I'm creating a class inside of the method. This is the method local inner classes. This is inside of the method, that is called method local inner classes. Here I'm creating an object of inner classes. I'm calling the method of inside of the inner class sum method. I'm calling the method of sum. Here in the outer class I'm creating a one main method. In this one main method I'm calling the method one by using the test object. These type of inner classes are called method local inner classes. If we are declaring inner class inside a instance method, see, this is the method called, this is an instance method. If we are declaring inside, if you are declaring inner class inside the instance method, then we can access both static and non-static members of outer class directly. We can access here static and non-static members directly. But if we are declaring inner class inside the static method, then we can access only static members of outer class directly, and we cannot access instance members directly. For this I can show one example. For that point, if you see this example, I'm creating a test class. In this test class I'm creating a two variables. One is a normal instance variable and another one is the static instance variable. I'm creating a one method. This is the instance method. Inside of the instance method I'm creating a inner class. This is the class inner class. Inside of the inner class I'm creating a one more method, that is the method 2. Inside of the method 2 I am accessing the stat instance variables of outer class. There is a test class. This is the x and this is y. It is possible to access the instance variables under static instance variables. See here, this is the I'm creating an object of inner class. I'm calling the method 2. Here, this is the main class of an outer class, test class. I'm calling the method 1. I'm creating a test class object and calling the method 1. This is the concept of we can, if we are declaring inner class inside the static method, then we can access only static members of outer class directly, and we cannot access the instance members directly. Next, if we declare a method 1, if we declare a method 1 method as a static, then we will get compile time error saying non-static variables x cannot be referenced from the static context. From the method local inner class, we can't access the local variables of the method in which we declare it. But if that local variables is declared as a final, then we won't get any compile time error. For this, I can show one example here. If you see this example, if we declare a method 1, this is the method 1. If you declare a method 1 as a static, as a static, then we will get the compile time error. If you are declaring the method 1 as a static, then we will get the compile time error. It is a non-static, saying non-static variable x cannot be referenced to the static variable. From the method local inner classes, we can't access the local variables. Here method local inner classes we can't access. This is the method local inner classes. This is the inner class. Method local inner classes, local variables of a method in which local, from method local inner classes we can't access the local variables of a method in which we declare it. But if that local variables is declared as a final, then we will get any compile time error. If you see this example, I'm creating a one instance variable here. This is the outer class test. I'm creating one instance variable. This is the method one. This is the method one. Inside method, I'm creating a one local inner class that is called inner. In this inner class, I'm creating a one more method that is a method two. Inside method two, I'm accessing the instance variable of test class. This is the I. After that, I'm accessing the variable, local variable of method one. If it gives, whenever we are compiling this program, this line gives the compile time error. Local variable y is accessed from within the inner classes need to be declared as final. Whenever we are declaring y as a final, it fine, otherwise it gives the compile time error. After that, I'm creating a main method inside of the outer class test. I'm calling the method one. Next, if we declare y as a final, then we won't get any compile time error. If this is the final variable, if we won't get any compile time error. See this one, if you are declaring this final, now we won't get any compile time error. We won't get any compile time error like this. Next, I can show one more example here. This is an example. This is an outer class. In this outer class, I am creating one instance variable I and one static variable that is the j. See here, this is the method one. Inside method one, I am creating a local variables that is a k and I. I am creating a local inner class inside of the method one. In this method inner class, I am creating a one method that is called method 2. In this method 2, I am accessing the I variable. This is the outer class instance variable. Now second line, I am accessing the j variable. This is the outer class of static variable. Now I am accessing the k variable. This is the local variable of method 1. It is available in method 1. Method 1 local variable of method 1. After that, I am accessing the L variable. This is a variable, final variable, which is available in method 1. This is a local variable. After that, this is the public static void main. Now whenever we are compiling this program, it gives the compile time error at line this one. Why? Because inside the method local variables must be final whenever we are using an inside of the inner class. That's why here it gives the compile time error. If you declare a method 2 as a static, then we will get the compile time error because we can't declare the static members inside a inner class. The only applicable modifiers for the method local inner classes. See, this is the method local inner class. This is the method local inner class. The method local inner class only applicable modifiers are final abstract strict fp. By mistake, if we are declaring any other modifier, we will get the compile time error. By mistake, if you are good putting any access modifier like that private, if you are putting like that, immediately it gives the compile time error.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.